Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing a 57-inch folding computer desk, for your home office or your dorm room, wherever you need a easy setup on computer desk. This one is from Gootrades. Okay, let me slice and dice it real quick. One thing I want to say to you guys also is, one of the reasons I am doing an unboxing of this folding computer desk is because I hear when you order these, they get destroyed during their shipment. And I just wanted to see, are they really damaged that bad in shipment? If they are, I'm doing you guys a great favor by taking one of these and opening it up and seeing what it looks like after shipment. Now I believe that I think mine came from Pennsylvania, I believe, and I'm in Florida. So let's see if there's any damage from Pennsylvania to Florida on this folding computer desk here. Let me slice this bad boy open. The case already looks a little worn out. I can already see pieces of foam, so I'm not expecting it to be in beautiful shape. So I'll let you guys see here. What you guys think? I'm doing this to save you guys from getting this and having it be destroyed on you. So I'll do you guys this great favor. Open it up. Wow, all the foam is destroyed. Look at that. Foam is shredded. Well, let's hope it made it and that's just the foam that's damaged. But we will see. All these pieces out of here. It's really thin foam that's in this package too. Look at this. The legs look okay. I don't see any scratches or anything on the legs. And the edges, let me get this in the shot here, if I can. Let me move my camera. On the corner, if you guys can see this, these are supposed to protect the edges. There's one of them. It's completely destroyed. So I'll see if that edge survived. Okay, but it's supposed to protect the edges of the table. Hold on. Now let me get it out of this box. The top looks okay so far. It doesn't look damaged. But I haven't completely got it out of here yet, so get that out of there. Get this out of the way. And guys, this desk is 50 pounds. So it's not light. All right. I'll show you guys the side here. Let me move it down. This is the side where it came off. Let me get it in the shot here. You can see a little damage right here on the edge. But it also has this little rubber piece here that protects the edge. I'm surprised. There's a little backup. So it had a little backup right here that protect the edge. So that one survived the journey. Okay? And all for Edges look like they survived the journey. All right. I finally found some damage, guys. Oops, hit the camera, but hold on. I gotta show you guys this. I found a spot that was damaged. You guys to see this. Right here. Let me zoom in on it a little bit. You guys can see it right there. That one part was crushed. It was crushed. This part was sunk in. Jeez. So it did get damaged. That's the only part I see. So the rest of it is fine. But it did get damaged during transit. So as a lot of people told me, it did get damaged. So if you guys order this, be very careful. It most likely will get damaged. Just warning you guys right now, so you can be prepared for that. If you take the risk and order it like that from the supplier. Either way, even if you order this off of Amazon or you order it, let's say you go to the store and order it there, it still had to go through shipping. So anywhere you see it, it might be damaged. So just a little heads up for you guys. Now for the setup, all you have to do is pull the legs up. You guys can hear that. There's two springs here. And you just pull it all the way back. And I don't know if you guys heard that. It's like clicked into place. So it's not going anywhere. And then you want to release it, you have to push down on this here. So you push it down and you put the legs down like that. It's that easy. But open it up, it clicks into place, it's locked, and then you push this to put it down. And that's the whole operation of this table. So that's how it is, guys. That's it. Let me give you guys a shot of it just sitting there. I want you guys to at least see how big it is. So let me move it. So you guys can see this. All right. There it is. And you guys can see chipped off right here. He got dented in. Horrible. I'm not gonna say how much I paid for this, but for the amount I paid for it, this is crazy. This is freaking crazy. The edges are fine. As I said earlier, they got a little rubber thing here at the edge. So all my edges are fine. But the rest here, horrible. But you take the risk, guys. When you order stuff like this, you take a risk. So I hope that this was helpful to you guys and helps you make a decision if you want to buy this table or not. And as always, I thank you guys for watching my videos. Bye bye.